Tired of that Walmart MoneyCard balance and wishing you could just zap it over to your Cash App? Let's break down exactly how to get your Walmart MoneyCard funds into your Cash App account. Step by step. First, open the Cash App on your phone. You will want to make sure that it's updated to the latest version. That'll ensure a smooth process. Now, tap on your profile icon. In the top right corner, scroll down to find the Linked Banks or Linked Cards option. Tap on it. This is where you will add your Walmart MoneyCard. Select Link Card and manually enter your Walmart MoneyCard details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Double check that the information is correct before continuing. If you see an error message that your card is not supported, then you may need to find a workaround. Once your card is linked, go back to the Cash App home screen and tap the dollar icon to initiate a payment. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Tap Pay, then select the contact or enter the dollar cash tag of the person, even if it's yourself. Before confirming, make sure the Walmart MoneyCard is selected as your funding source. You can typically change the funding source by tapping on the displayed payment method. Review everything carefully, then confirm the payment using your PIN or Touch ID. Keep in mind that Cash App or Walmart may charge fees for certain transactions. If linking your card directly doesn't work, consider alternative methods like transferring the money to a traditional bank account first, and then linking that bank account to Cash App. Do note that transferring to a bank can take up to 3 business days, and that's it. Now you can enjoy your Walmart MoneyCard funds within Cash App.